In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import customers into QuickBooks Online from an Excel file. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in a full customer list in just a few minutes without having to enter everything manually. Let's start right inside QuickBooks Online. First, look up to the top right corner of your screen and click on the small gear icon. This gear is where you'll find most of your settings and tools. From the menu that appears, find the section labeled Tools. Under that section, click on Import Data. This is the area QuickBooks uses for bringing in information like customers, vendors, and products. Since we're focusing on customers, go ahead and select Customers to begin the import process. Next, you'll upload the Excel file that contains your customer list. On the import screen, you'll see an option to browse for a file. Click Browse, then navigate through your computer's folders until you find your Excel file. Try to use a file that's clearly labeled, like Customer List, or something similar, so it's easy to locate. Once you've selected it, click Open. QuickBooks will load the file, and when it's ready, click Next to move on. Now you're in the mapping stage, which is one of the most important parts. Mapping simply means telling QuickBooks which column in your Excel file matches which field in QuickBooks. The system will try to do this automatically by matching your column headers, like customer name or email, to its own fields. For any field that isn't matched, you'll see a drop-down menu. Open that drop-down and choose the appropriate QuickBooks field that best fits the column from your file. Take your time here and carefully review each match. Make sure things like names, phone numbers, and email addresses are all lined up correctly. If something doesn't look right, adjust it now to avoid messy data later. When everything looks accurate, click Next. On the final screen, you'll see a preview of the customers and the fields that are about to be imported. This is your last chance to double-check. Scan through the list and confirm that the information looks correct. If there are any customers you don't want to bring into QuickBooks, simply uncheck them so they won't be imported. Once you're satisfied with the list and the details, go to the bottom right corner and click Import. QuickBooks will process the file, and your customers will be added to your account, ready for you to use.